guys. So we came across this issue. The lawnmower turns on, but it turns off soon after, whether I turn it or something. We called Milwaukee. They said it's not a common issue. So we should return it and get a new one. So instead of returning it, we just bought a new one to compare, and it's the same thing. I'm going to show you real quick what it's doing. So once I turn it on, this one's not thinking on. See, all I did was, you want to try again? See how it turns off? I'm not letting go and it keeps turning off. We're going to go ahead and try the other one so I can show you. I'm not going in the grass just so I can show you that the grass is not the issue. Same thing. I'm doing the normal turn. All I'm doing is lifting, it just turns off. So we found that it was a simple solution. This power button right here, if you see, you're supposed to click it in. And it's still a little loose. So we found that if we put a pressure clamp, or you can hold it with your hand, but that's more complicated. No issues whatsoever. Alright. Now watch what happens. It just starts dying on you randomly. So there you have it. That's the simple issue, or simple fix. Just turn it on with a clamp. And you want to just have something that creates constant pressure in there, so it doesn't get loose and turn off your lawnmower. We're going to do the same thing for the second one. So we don't know what the issue is. It might be the clip. It might be something internally underneath the clip that's not grabbing right. But yeah, like I said, all you need to do is apply some pressure. There you have it. It just shuts off. All you got to do is release. And if you want to start it up again, you got to reclamp it again. And that's pretty much the only solution we came up with for now. I think we're going to try to open up in the next video and try to see if we can fix it ourselves. And if not, we'll end up sending it back to Milwaukee.